I believe na si Manong Egay can is the right person to unite the divided Cagayanos.
Yes.
Para straightforward tayo. No? Kasi nakita mo, being a military man, being a chief PNP for the two president during the time ni President Estrada and saka si President Arroyo, nakita natin very passionate siya, para yung isipin mo kung galing ka na isang chief PNP sa isang presidente, at transition, nandun pa rin siya.
Tama.
Usually, ang ginagawa niya palit lahat
Correct.
But Manong Egay still there to serve the two president as chief PNP. So, ang kailangan kasi natin dito ngayon, we need somebody to lead us, to unite,
Respeto natin, sir.
the divided Cagayanos, especially yung mga politicians. Kasi
Leaders.
very na after election, away-away ang mga politiko. Sinong talo? Mga taong bayan.
Tao.
Yeah, okay.
So we need somebody. Ngayon, I'm calling now na sana lahat ng Cagayano magkaisa to support one Cagayan for one common vision.
Sama-sama, one Cagayan. Magkaisa, one Cagayan.